Hello guys, this is me Amna with Flavor Hour. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. So we are making today is a mud pie with brownies, Cool Whip ice cream, some Oreos and a Jello chocolate pudding mix. It tastes really good. You can make it in any pan you want. The assembling part is very easy. And let's see how we're going to make it. So the first step is I took a triple chocolate brownie mix. I used a Hershey brand. It tastes really good. You can take it from Sam's Club. It's triple chocolate. It tastes very good, and it also has some chocolate chips in it. Mix the brownie mix nicely until all the dry ingredients are dissolved. I took a 9-inch pan, but you should use a little bit smaller pan so the brownie layer should be thick, not very thin. Otherwise your brownies will dry out and you cannot put some mixture on top of them, as it will be really hard. So pour the brownie mixture in the pan. I preheated the oven to 350 degrees and I will cook the brownies in about for 25 minutes until my fork or spoon comes clear out of the brownies. Our brownies are ready to go in the oven. While our brownies are being cooked in the oven, I took this Jello and mixed it with milk and prepared the Jello chocolate pudding. Mix it in for 2 minutes until the paste becomes really thick. Our paste is almost ready. It turned thick after whisking for 2 minutes. Set aside or put it in the fridge. Next step is I took some Oreo cookies and I put them in my mini chopper, and it gave me a nice Oreo chocolate powder. As you can see, these little tiny crumbs will help us. Our brownies are ready. Let the brownies cool completely. Now, pour all the Jello mix pudding we prepared on top of the brownies. Smooth it out nicely. Now I took some Cool Whip cream. You can also take whipping cream, but I like Cool Whip cream. It's available everywhere, and smooth it in as a third layer nicely. Almost done. Ta-da, it's ready. Now, after Cool Whip cream, we are gonna decorate it. And we are gonna decorate it with some Oreo cookies. You can take out the cream part of the Oreo cookies and just use the simple Oreo cookie. Put it around. And these are the Oreo crumbs we grated. Put it nicely and slowly. You don't want the Oreo crumbs all over the white part of the Cool Whip cream. Yep, it's ready. It looks good. Refrigerated for about 4 to 5 hours. Let it set, and it tastes really good. This is how it looks from inside. You can make it in a glass bowl also. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.